Last week I showed you top 3 features of MS Edge Part 1. And in coming videos I'm adding few more best features. I wonder what's yours favorite is, so as you're watching, comment below and let me know. Also request you to subscribe to my channel. Today's feature is Math Solver in MS Edge. This new feature allows you to solve math problems using Microsoft Edge. Let's start. Click on the ellipses and select Settings. Click on Appearance. And down here you're going to see Show Math Solver button. When you turn it on, you'll see this little Math Solver button up here. Now we're ready to test it. Let's say I have this math challenge. Click on the Math Solver button and then drag it around the math problem. Then click on Solve. It uses OCR to read the equation. And in case it didn't pick it up perfectly, you can use the math keyboard here to adjust it. But in my case it picked it up perfectly. And not only does it solve, but it also shows the solution steps. If you scroll down, it will also recommend some videos and additional learning content. So next time you can hopefully solve it yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, please like and share. And please subscribe to the channel so that you will receive more such useful videos in future, and it motivates me to create more videos. Thanks again, see you in next video.